Okay, yeah, in the last video we will talk about the angry patient. Then what the next, what will happen if this angry patient is to make complaint against anyone? Okay, first, if this patient make this or want to make complaint in the same conversation, you can tell him that continue in your conversation, blah 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 blah, and tell him about the system. Or if you do not know, you can tell him that yes, I will contact you to telling you about the process and how you can make complaint. If you want, or if this patient came to you in next conversation and say that I want to make complaint against anyone, start by opening question, what happened, I know how it's difficult to you, show empathy, and appreciate, thank you because you're telling me about this, and sure apologize to the patient. After that, it's very important to ask about the eyes, his idea about this, what his idea, what is happening, how this affect his daily life or affect his life if this not happen on the same day, and also what he hope or what he expect from me as a doctor to do for him. Very important to ask about social. As we say before, this patient may be addict, may be under any pressure, who support him, if he tell anyone about this problem or not. If the patient accept your apologize, no problem. You can end the conversation and send the patient. If the patient insists, you can ask him that there is process, there is system. You can write your complaint, and I will raise this complaint through our system, and I will document this in your file, or blah blah blah. If you are not sure what you say, you can just say that I will make I will document this verbal complaint, and I will date it also, and I will raise it to my manager, and we will to contact you later to tell you about what happened. Like this, just complaint is not very common case in the exam, and I think it not appear at all. But as we know, during these last years, many cases, not familiar cases, start to appear in the exam, South Asia. Good luck for all, and if you have any question, you can contact me directly through my Telegram channel, through WhatsApp, or through YouTube channel. Good luck for all.